You can have it in any color you want, as long as it's black. When Ford invented the assembly line, it was a huge innovation for creating repeatability, increased throughput, and controlling the assembly sequence. When you look at the cars they built, the assembly line concept was simple. Today we live in a very customized world with highly sophisticated products, but we're still using an assembly process that was invented 100 years ago. Back then the mantra was control the assembly sequence. Well, that hasn't changed. DC nut runners are a great example of a tool that was invented to help control the assembly sequence. But not everything is assembled using a DC nut runner. Hand tools are different. When you're using hand tools, how do you guide the worker to follow the assembly sequence? How do you control hand tools the way you control a nut runner? And how do you orchestrate that assembly sequence? Let me ask it another way. When it comes to hand tools, how do you reduce rework and errors, cut warranty costs, and increase throughput? In today's competitive marketplace, quality is everything. These days you're only as good as your last widget, and lose a customer, they're hard to get back, and it is expensive to do so. The Global 100 and the intelligent radio-equipped tools from Sturdivant Richmond give you the control you need to achieve your production and quality goals. The Global 100 manages 100 jobs and 100 parameters. It controls up to 20 tools in any combination of Exactitude digital wrenches, SLTC-FM click wrenches, and the PST-1000 pneumatic pressure sensor controllers. Tools are paired with the Global 100 torque controller, and they only communicate with that specific controller. Each parameter is assigned a tool. The tools remain in a suspended state until the parameter to which they're assigned becomes active. Global 100 also displays batch total, batch count, and additional information about that particular parameter. If you're using a digital wrench, it shows torque values. Global 100 also provides visual and auditory feedback. When a batch is complete, the Global 100 provides visual and auditory feedback that the batch is complete, and then it moves on to the next parameter. Some of the setup is done via the upper HMI, and then that information is saved to the lower HMI memory card. The Global 100 is Ethernet capable and operates in the open protocol. Global 100 can bring up job and parameter information via a barcode scanner, or it can take information directly from an MES. The Global 100 system also comes with the G100 Manager software. The G100 Manager software can remotely change batch counts, assign parameters to jobs, change torque specifications, and much more. It also provides a reporting package where you select the data that you want to see in the report and you format it the way you need it. Of course, that data can be uploaded into Excel or sent back to the MES. If you make sophisticated, highly customizable products with longer takt times and you want a way to tie hand tools into the system to gain control so that you can guide the workers and orchestrate the assembly sequence, the Global 100 can help. To learn more about the Global 100 torque controller and the intelligent tools that work with it, contact your Sturdivant Richmond sales professional or go to srtorque.com.